everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to delete Facebook watch history. First, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the navigation bar. Now scroll a bit and then select the Settings and Privacy button. Then select the Settings button. Scroll down, find your activity and then choose Activity Log. On your phone, move your fingers over this section and then choose Videos Watched. You can either manually delete the videos one by one or delete the history in one go. To delete the videos manually, click on the three dots next to the video and then select the Delete button. To delete the videos at one go, tap on Clear Watch History and then select on Clear. And that's how you can delete the Facebook watch history. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.